In this video, I want to show you an art of inheritance. So we create, for example, a laser base that has some code inside it, and we use all of these code to create some more lasers. For example, laser level 1, laser level 2 that has different movement speed and different sprite and different box collision, and laser 3 different as well, and laser 4 different as well. And we can do it in just some minutes. Let's see how we can do that. Now for having multiple lasers. First of all, let's just make this BP laser base more cleaner and more modular. For example, this movement speed that we have in here, we want to promote it to variable, and I want to call it movement speed. Right? So we always can change that. By default, 400 is good. Next thing, let's say after 10 seconds when this laser is spawned and it's out of the screen, we want to destroy it. It shouldn't always exist in our level. So in here, I want to use a timer. So set timer by a event like this. And let's say after 10 seconds in here, we want this custom event to happen. So search for custom event and destroy laser, right? Call this custom event destroy laser. And in here, we can just say destroy actor. It will destroy itself after 10 seconds. Now, for testing it, let's just for now put it on 2 seconds. And I want to change the movement speed to, for example, 20. So we will see that it is destroyed. If you run now, hit J, you can see after 2 seconds, it is destroyed. That's it. That's what we want, right? Now, let's go here, change the movement speed. I want it to be 800 at the end. And after 10 seconds, we want to destroy this laser. So our game will be optimized, right? Now, how we can create multiple laser. For creating multiple laser off of this laser base, we can just right click on it and create a child blueprint class, right? I want to call this one BP player laser 01, right? I'll click on it to open it. In here, you can see the parent class is BP laser base. And if you go to event graph, you can see there is some nodes connected to the begin play and event tick. What does it mean? It means whenever we use this BP player laser 01, when it goes to begin play, first it will do what is connected to the parent begin play. And parent begin play is this. Have all of these. So all of this code will happen. And after that, whatever we connect to this, it can happen as well, right? It's the same for this event tick as well. We don't change anything. You can see by default, it has the collision in there. It has the sprite as well. So if you go to our BP player and change this to player laser 1, again it works like before, nothing is changed. Hit J, and now you can see everything is working like before. But the good thing about this, if you go to content drawer, we can duplicate this and call it player laser 2, right? I'll click on it to open it. In here, open it in full blueprint editor. Again, it's like before, but in this case, we can change the paper sprite. Let me go to the left side. And now I want to change this sprite, right? I will change it to laser blue 6 sprite, right? Let's just put it there. You can see it's thicker, right? We want to change the box collision as well. So let's just change that like this and change the Z scale of it as well. I want it to be just like this. Beautiful. And because all of these event begin play of it and event tick is inheriting from the parent that is our BP laser base, all the functionality of BP laser base is implemented in here as well. So that's good, right? Now with that done, if you go to our BP player and say our laser is BP player laser 2 and hit compile and run, let's see what will happen. Hit J. Now you can see we are spawning that tick laser. Beautiful. What else we can do? If we go to the class default, we have access to movement speed as well. For example, because this laser is thicker, we want to change the speed to 400, for example, right? Now with that, if you run hit J, now you can see the speed for BP laser 2 is less than laser 1. That's the art of inheritance in Unreal Engine Blueprint. So we can have multiple lasers with the same functionality of its parent, but different property, like the sprite, like the box collision, like the movement speed, or even the damage. And we can do it for the rest as well. So Control D to duplicate it one more time. This is our laser 3. So in this case, let's just go to paper sprite. And in here, for example, laser blue 7, right? Put it there. Let's just go from perspective to left and zoom. We can change the box collision. So go to box, change it like this. Beautiful. That's more than enough. For the movement speed, just click on class default and change it, for example, to 600, right? Now with that done, again, if you go to BP player, we can use it over here. Without coding anything, we are just using one code in laser base and we use it through multiple blueprint. We're just changing some variables, right? Now we have laser 3. If you run hit J, you can see we have laser 3 now. Beautiful. Let's just create the laser 4 as well. So Control D on this one. And now open full blueprint. What we want to do, we want to change the paper sprite from laser blue 7, for example, to laser blue 16, right? Let's just go from perspective to left and now change the collision of it. So let me change it like this and make this bigger as well, like this. No, it's good. In class default, I want to change the movement speed to, for example, 1000, right? You can do that. Hit compile, save. Now if you go to BP player and choose that one, the BP laser 4, hit compile, and now if you run, hit J, now you can see the speed is too much and we are more powerful, right? And that's beautiful.